Hey crew, today's video will be Christmas M&Ms. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have milk chocolate chips, M&Ms, plain salt, baking powder, vanilla extract, egg, unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, white sugar, and brown sugar. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Let's get into our Christmas M&Ms cookies. Okay crew, so let's jump into our M&M Christmas cookie video. We're gonna go in with 2 cups of flour, one teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and this will be our dry ingredients. Y'all don't have to sift y'all flour, salt, and baking powder together if you don't want to. You just use a whisk and stir it together and that's good to go. But me personally, I just like to sift the dry ingredients. It's just a habit. And also in the comment section below, let us know how y'all doing, what y'all been up to, and what y'all plan on having for Christmas. This will be another Christmas dessert for y'all. Okay crew, so we're about to jump into the wet part for our cookies. We are gonna go in with 1 stick and a half of unsalted butter that's room temperature. And I'm gonna cream this together just for a few seconds. Okay crew, so we're gonna go in with a half a cup of brown sugar that's packed and a half a cup of regular white sugar. So we simply gonna cream this together between 2 to 4 minutes. You want to make sure that you push down the sides of your bowl. And when you push it down the sides of the bowl, make sure that you get the very bottom of the bowl, because sometimes the sugar and stuff tend to stick to the bottom. And you don't want no sugar crystals in your cookies. So we're gonna give this like another minute. Okay crew, so into our wet ingredients, we're gonna go in with 1 egg. And I always crack my eggs in a bowl because I don't like cracking them, you know, in the mixer, because you never know, a piece of shell may break off in there, and you don't want nobody eating your cookies and be like, ooh, I got a shell in my cookie, you know. They're like, what's that crunchy piece in my cookie? And it's a piece of eggshell. I mean, hey, they go for cakes too. Like I said, I love to do it that way. That way I know that I'm good and I don't have to worry about no eggshells or anything that I bake, because I don't want nobody talking about me. We're gonna go in with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And we're simply gonna give it a mix.
Someone help me see it. Someone
Okay, so once again, we're gonna push down the sides of our bowl.
Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I want to lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. How I knew that it
We're gonna mix this for about another minute, then we'll add our dry ingredients.
come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see. Someone help me free.
So we're gonna add our dry ingredients.
Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see. Someone help.
And y'all already know that cloud of flour about to come. So sometimes you can go in with your spatula or your whatever you want to use to kind of push it down, but I'm just gonna lock it in place, and I'm gonna kind of play with it a little bit because I don't want too much of the flour to shoot out at me. And just kind of get it started. There we go.
Now, help me see it. Oh, help me free this feeling. Dancing slowly in the moonlight beneath the stars.
Okay, so our cookie dough is ready. I'm gonna simply take it out our KitchenAid bowl and put it in a regular bowl, and we'll move on to the next step. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, crew, so I have my cookie dough out of the bowl into a bigger bowl, and now we're about to go in with our chocolate. So we're gonna go in with 1 cup of milk chocolate chips, 1 cup and a half of Christmas M&Ms, so a 10-ounce bag will give you a cup and a half. So I'm just gonna stir this in.
Growing older together now, but I still feel young when I'm with you.
Simply just folding it in.
Something we were living in a fantasy. I knew right from the start. You were
Okay,
the
cool.
other half of
So
my heart.
we have my cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, and I always spray the bottom of my cookie sheet pan with baker's joy. Then I put my parchment paper on it. That way it kind of helps it lay flat. So we're gonna scoop out the cookies, and I have 3 tablespoon cookie scoop, and I'm gonna bake 9 cookies on the first batch. Then I'll finish out the rest. And also, this recipe will yield up to 36 cookies, depending on how small you want them. But with the cookie, with this 3 tablespoon cookie scoop, you're looking at 19 to 20.
Right from the start, you were the other half of my heart. Ooh, the other half of my heart. Wanna be something more.
And when I do cookies, I always like to get the leftover that's on the sides off and kind of flatten out the bottom. Okay, crew, so we have 12 cookies on our cookie sheet, and I'm gonna space them out evenly. Then I'm gonna put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on how long it takes, because it's cold here, and sometimes your oven may take a little longer or a little less depending on your oven. Okay, so we got them spaced out even, and once again 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes, and I will check them between the 12 to 15 minute mark. Y'all know I couldn't do y'all like that without giving y'all that famous close-up before they go in the oven, so let's jump right into that famous close-up. Ooh. These puppies right here ain't gonna last long, y'all. They gonna be gone before the day is over with. Not because of me. Let's get that understood. Okay, crew, so I got the cookies out the oven, and here they go. They look so good, y'all. Okay, crew, so our Christmas M&Ms are done, and here we have them on our plate. And Queen, she's gonna try them. And like I always say, y'all already know what I'm about to say. Give y'all her honest opinion. So pick your one, baby. Break your hand for people.
I like it, and if I don't, I'll tell you I don't like it. I don't know.
Ooh.
Let's see.
Come on, puppy. There we go.
They're way better than store-bought. Y'all know the store-bought cookies like this can be overly sweet. They got the right amount of sweetness, crunchiness from the candies, and then the bottom part of the cookie is perfectly done. It got that perfect crunch, but the rest of the cookie is soft. It's good. Y'all kids will love these. Y'all grandkids will too. Good job, man.
Alright, yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed my take on my Christmas M&M video. Don't forget to like and comment on the video, and if you're new to the channel and seeing this, please subscribe, click the bell, set post notifications to all, that way you're notified when I upload a video. Y'all already know the saying, pops out. Peace.